Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of military transport aircraft, as we delve into the fascinating realm of the CH-5M Super Galaxy. This colossal machine is renowned for its awe-inspiring sophistication, representing the pinnacle of modern air transport capabilities. Join us as we explore the features and advancements that make the CH-5M Super Galaxy a true engineering marvel. One of the defining characteristics of the CH-5M Super Galaxy is its incredible payload capacity. With the ability to transport up to 281,001 pounds, 127,460 kilograms of cargo, this aircraft can accommodate outsized and oversized cargo that no other aircraft can handle. From tanks and helicopters to humanitarian aid supplies, the CH-5M is the go-to workhorse for heavy airlift operations worldwide. The cockpit of the CH-5M Super Galaxy is a testament to cutting-edge aviation technology. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, including advanced flight management systems and multifunction displays, the aircraft offers superior situational awareness and ease of operation for its crew. Pilots benefit from digital flight controls, improved navigation systems, and enhanced communication capabilities, ensuring precise and efficient flight operations, even in the most challenging conditions. For an aircraft of its size, the CH-5M Super Galaxy boasts an impressive range of over 5,500 nautical miles, 10,186 kilometers, without refueling. This extended range enables the transport of personnel and equipment across intercontinental distances without the need for frequent stops, enhancing the aircraft's operational flexibility. Moreover, the CH-5M's upgraded engines provide increased thrust, resulting in a respectable cruising speed of approximately 518 knots, 957 kilometers per hour. To cope with the immense stresses encountered during its missions, the CH-5M Super Galaxy has undergone extensive structural enhancements. Reinforced with advanced materials like carbon composites, the aircraft has increased its overall durability while reducing weight. This weight reduction, in turn, contributes to improved fuel efficiency and increased payload capacity, further bolstering the CH-5M's performance. The CH-5M Super Galaxy plays a crucial role in supporting military and humanitarian operations around the world. From delivering essential supplies to remote and disaster-stricken regions to transporting troops and equipment for international missions, this aircraft serves as a lifeline for global aid and defense efforts. Its ability to conduct strategic airlift missions has earned it a reputation as the backbone of the United States Air Force's USAF transportation fleet. In conclusion, the CH-5M Super Galaxy stands as an epitome of sophistication in the realm of military transport aircraft. With its unmatched payload capacity, advanced avionics, extended range, and structural upgrades, this colossal machine exemplifies the ingenuity of modern engineering. As it continues to support vital operations worldwide, the CH-5M Super Galaxy remains a symbol of the indomitable spirit of aviation progress.